Welcome to the Denver Recording Connection. At this point, you've probably heard that we do things differently here. At the Denver Recording Connection, we employ two methodologies of learning simultaneously: MEME and VBCO technology, MEME and Webco technology. MEME stands for the Mentor Extern Method of Education. VBCO stands for Vital Business Connection Opportunities. We apply both MEME and VBCO to bring you, the Denver audio student, an upgrade to the way education is delivered and received in the 21st century. Here's how it works here in Denver. First, we will explain MEME and how it works. 1. Instead of classrooms, we put our students in a real recording studio. 2. Instead of learning in an overcrowded trade school or university campus, your campus is here in a Denver tracking and control room, production studios, live sound venues, and record labels. 3. Instead of learning from a trade school instructor who may not be currently working in the music business, we place you with a recording studio music producer, engineer, recording artist, mix engineer, live engineer, or music business executive. An actively working industry professional who can show you the ropes and how this all works. 4. Our Denver Recording Connection students learn one-on-one from one of these professionals as an extern or an apprentice, not an intern, an extern. Now, let's explain what an extern actually is. As an extern, you take a structured course curriculum, which you will access from our e-learning management system. You do your reading and homework at home, and then bring it to the studio where your mentor, again, an actively working professional, will apply the concepts you are learning about to the real world. You can also sit in on real sessions. Access to an unlimited amount of remote tutoring, write music, record music, and do engineering. Our technology and efforts provide the structure. Our curriculum provides the foundation. The pro we pair you with provides the on-the-job experience, the access and the insight, while the school's faculty provides the support, additional tutoring, career coaching, and job placement. This is how the MEME works. Now, let's review how the VBCO works. Vital Business Connection Opportunities is our way of placing you ahead of your competition for paid work once or even before you graduate. Here's how it works. 1. While other students are attending class at their trade school campus, stuck in a big classroom, you are attending class in a real recording studio, where real-life clients come in to record, write music, mix, and track. 2. As you develop a bond with your mentor, a professional relationship based on trust is formed. The more your mentor trusts and trains you, the faster your mentor can become a vital business opportunity. 3. Think about this. Who is more likely to be able to give you paid employment? Your mentor, a working pro, or an instructor in a crowded college classroom? Vital Business Connection Opportunities works on the age-old premise of it's not just what you know, but who knows you. Who knows you and your work. It also operates on the very real concept that no matter how hard you work, if you don't have any connections, you aren't likely to get any real work. At the Denver Recording Connection, we believe that you shouldn't have to wait until after you graduate to make vital business connections. But instead, from day one, you are working under the person who could one day hire you or introduce you to opportunities that could launch your career. Ask yourself where you are more likely to succeed: in a classroom on a campus, or in the world of a real-world studio as an extern or apprentice. Now, it would follow that a private education in a real recording studio where vital business opportunities are applied could cost more in tuition than a tired and traditional recording trade school or university. But we got you. We were founded in 1988 to be a Tier 1 debt relief post-secondary school. What that means is that our mission is to keep tuition low, lower than most, so you and your family do not incur insurmountable amounts of student debt. So when you add up our method of education, MEME, the Mentor Extern Method of Education, and give you VBCO, Vital Business Connection Opportunities, and keep you out of insurmountable amounts of debt as a Tier 1 debt relief school, we believe we have an effective plan to break you into the music business for any career in audio as an engineer, producer, artist, creator, composer, mix or live engineer, music business executive, and more. The Denver Recording Connection enrolls students by way of open enrollment, year-round. We're currently accepting applications. We're an acceptance-based school only, and we look forward to working with you to get you informed about our school, how we are different, how we're going to help break you into the music business, and how we can help you to get accepted. Please click the Get Started link below or call us at 1-800-295-4433 to see which of our Denver recording studios are currently accepting our students. So now you've heard from us here at the Denver Recording Connection. Isn't it time you amplified your life so the world can hear from you?